Hi, I'm Mick and welcome to E-Stim Systems. Today we're going to take a look at the ElectroHelix. Here we have the ElectroHelix. It's either available on its own or as part of our Helix Blue and Helix Red value packs. So let's take a closer look at what you get in the pack. Here we have the ElectroHelix pack. You get your ElectroHelix itself all sealed up, a PP3 battery, a 2mm cable, and then hiding just in the top here you get your manual, a set of 4 sticky pads and your warranty registration card. So here it is, the ElectroHelix. It's a single channel 5-mode unit with the output socket on the top here along with your on-off slides power switch. On the front we've got 3 controls, first of which is your level or output control, your field control and a speed control. You then have a little display along here which shows you which mode you're in, our fire button and mode change. So let's just turn it on, and as you'll see the display lights up one at a time, just goes through a little self-test, check the box is working correctly, and then it's straight into pulse mode. And you'll see up the top here there's a little light that's going on and off now, which is what we call our activity light. You can change the output or the level just by simply rotating this knob here. The further round you go, the higher the output is, or all the way back round to the left-hand side and it's effectively off. You've then got the field control in the middle. This varies, strangely enough, the feel. Changes it from being a softer sensation round to a more hard, perhaps pin-like sensation just by turning it round to the right-hand side. And then finally we've got the speed control. If you watch the activity light up the top here, as I rotate it round, you'll see the activity light's now going on and off faster. This is speeding the rate of the pulse up, and then back the other way will slow it down. To change mode, you simply push the mode button here and let go, and as you'll see the display's moved on to the next mode, which in this case is flow, which is a continuous flow of electricity. Push it one more time and we get into fire mode. Now if you look at the activity light here at the top, you'll notice it's off, and it will stay off until such time as I push and hold the fire button. Whilst I'm holding the fire button, the activity light is on and there's an output, let go and the output goes away. Next we have our milk mode. Milk is a mode whereby the rate of the mode goes from slow to fast to slow, and you can change the speed at which that happens by using the speed control. You still have control over feel and obviously output. And then finally we have T's. Well, to find out what T's mode does, you're going to have to buy the box. So there's the unit, the ElectroHelix. Pretty much all there is to say, other than the hidden mode. If I just turn it off again and then hold on to the fire button as I turn it on, this time you'll see the display lights up with all the lights at once, and then you can let go of the fire button. Now the unit's in what we call sport mode. Just gives it a little bit more grrr, makes it a little sharper, a little stronger. The ElectroHelix. Here are all 3 of our ElectroHelix packs then. The ElectroHelix on its own, where you get the 2mm cable and the 4 sticky pads. The Helix Blue pack, where you get the same 2mm cable and sticky pads, but with the addition of a pair of 2mm conductive rubber loops for cock play. Or the Helix Red pack, again you get your 2mm cable and your 4 sticky pads, but you also get one of our small electro eggs, which is ideal for both vaginal or anal play. So there they are, our 3 entry-level units, the ElectroHelix. Well, I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And for more information about these or any of our products, follow the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.